Be weird!
No, bullshit. Bullshit.
What's up, everybody? Z to the O to the E here. I am with the Rotor Riot crew. We're here in Washington, where we have a community meetup today. So, see this vlog as just a short little tidbit of a slice of the life of a Rotor Riot pilot traveling the world, having fun, meeting the pilots, and ripping batteries. So hopefully I get some cool 3D shots in today and you enjoy this flight edit. Flight edit? Flight edit.
I make them bounce to this heavy metal shit. Like this. Pump your fist to this heavy metal shit. Like that. Keep it jumping to this heavy metal shit. Like this. Break it down to this heavy metal shit. Like that. I make them bounce to this heavy metal shit. Like this. Pump your fist to this heavy metal shit. Like that. Keep it jumping to this heavy metal shit. Like this. Break it down to this heavy metal shit. Like that. Like that. Like that. Like that. I make them bounce to this heavy metal shit. Like this. To this heavy metal shit. Like this. Pump your fist to this heavy metal shit. Like that. Keep it jumping to this heavy metal shit. Like this. Break it down to this heavy metal shit. Like that. Like that. Like that. Like that. I make them bounce. I make them bounce. I make them bounce. Break it down to this heavy metal shit. Like this. I make a bounce to this heavy metal shit. Like that, like that, like that, like that. To this heavy metal shit. Like this. Pump your fist to this heavy metal shit. Like that. Keep it jumping to this heavy metal shit. Like this. Break it down to this heavy metal shit. Like that. I make them bounce to this heavy metal shit. Like this. Pump your fist to this heavy metal shit. Like that. Keep it jumping to this heavy metal shit. Like this. Break it down to this heavy metal shit. Like that. 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 Like that.
So for those that don't know, we gotta thank Will and Fox for putting this together. The Rotor Riot crew generally doesn't do meetups on our trips, and this is probably one of the better things we've done in a long time. So many people! So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I know I had a lot of fun flying, and I will see you on the next adventure next time. Remember, I'm Z to the O to the E, FPV. Hit that like button, comment down below, subscribe, and hit that bell notification because God knows that helps out everything. So love your faces and bye!